am so happy to be in yet another conversation with the mastermind, Mr. Hanu Reddy. How are you, gentlemen? How are you?
Absolutely phenomenal. I feel blessed and grateful to be able to do something like this and invite the world to my farm and to this particular inauguration. And my thank you to my father and to all the fathers and father figures of the world.
Many congratulations on the launch of yet another milestone, the Hanu Reddy Global Sports and Pickleball Academy. Tell us, how ecstatic do you feel, sir?
Words can't say it, actions can't say it. I just feel it. I feel humbled by the opportunity the universe has given me, and I'm able to execute it. And I see this is a beginning of greatness for sports for India. So we are going to be second to none in the world. We are going to produce world-class sports people, and where the world will come to play with us, learn from us, and improve their standards. So that's my vision, and I want to give an opportunity to many people in this country who otherwise were shunted out.
So now we've started with pickleball in specific. But why pickleball? You could have chosen cricket, you could have chosen soccer, you could have chosen anything else. But why pickleball as a sport?
There's something happening with this sport. And what is this all about? It's a new sport that's come into the world and a very new sport into India. And it's something that is manageable and I can take it forward. I've got the resources to do it, and something got into me and said, and this is the time and this is the moment to do it, and I did it. Whereas the other sports are already established. This is something new, and if I can get in with a bang, it could make a difference.
What is the plan 5 years from now? So what do we see Hanu Reddy Global Sports and Pickleball Academy growing into in the next 5 years?
See, the way I conduct life, I don't have an end goal. Every day of my life, I am at my 10x. Ideas come in, execution, everything at my 10x. And life for me is a journey. It will never be completed. And the destiny where we reach will be far greater than what we can imagine. We did not have an end goal, but we started a thing, but gave it everything that we have. And it evolved far greater than anything we could imagine. And my projects will never be completed as long as we got enthusiasm, a desire to improve. So it will never be completed.
Beautifully said, sir. I always have a fantastic time speaking with you and being in conversation with you. One last question. If you have to say anything to anyone aspiring to be a sports person, be it pickleball, be it cricketer, be it soccer player, any sport, what do you have to tell them? And how would you like to encourage and cheer this particular gun?
Just wear your shoes, wear your clothes, and step out. And don't worry about whether you're good at it or bad at it. As you start enjoying the game, it will evolve and something great will come out. So I encourage every human being, irrespective of age, step out and do something physical. And if you do something physical, your mental capability goes up 10x.
Vimal Raj, how are you?
All good here. How are you?
I am very well. Thank you for joining us, and thank you for coming and gracing this lovely launch.
Yeah, Hari is my friend, so I mean, yeah.
Lovely. So Hanu Reddy Global Sports and Pickleball Academy. When they first told you about this, what was the first thing that came to your mind? Considering pickleball is very new to us Indians, the word is new, the sport is new. Tell us about.
The sport has been here for a while, 7 years in India, more than 7 years. But I think it's catching up really fast with all of the population right now. And it's a sport for all the age groups, and doesn't matter if you're 70, you're 10, you're 12, everybody can play the sport. I think that's why, it's like catching like a rapid fire, I would say.
Also tell us, what's the one thing that you absolutely love about the spirit of this game?
The fact that a person doesn't need to have a racket sport background before. I can just come onto the court, play for the first time, and you're still going to enjoy it. Any other sport, badminton, tennis is going to take you 3 years to just get the bare minimum out of the sport.
Right.
Badminton, again, probably take you a month or so, but pickleball is not that case.
Right.
It's easy to pick it up, it's tough to master. And I think Hanu Reddy has done a really good job with the court. and I think the goal is to bring the sport to all class of people. So, I mean, kudos to them for that.
Hello, Vishwajit. Thank you so
Hello.
much for joining us.
Thank you.
Thanks
you
for giving us.
inviting me.
Of course. I mean, how can we not invite you? How can we not have your presence when the pickleball court of a world class has been launched in Ottivakkam, Chennai? How happy do you feel about it?
I feel extremely proud. I started playing about a year ago, and when I started, there were only about 2-3 courts in Chennai. Now there are more than 10-15 courts when I look at any app, and it's so nice to have a court done in the outskirts of Chennai, because this is something that everyone can pick up, and it's really easy to play as well.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely. So I have a 20-year tennis background,
Right.
and playing tennis is almost like a video game that needs a 20-hour tutorial. It takes a long time to learn, but this you can get on the court and you pick it up right away, which is why it's really booming all over the world. And I expect it to boom not only in the cities but in the outskirts as well.
Right.
All sorts of places.
Any rules that we need to keep in mind before getting on the court?
So the 3 main rules are it's an underarm serve.
Okay.
The second rule is you can't, so after you serve and the opponent returns the ball, you can't volley the third ball.
Right.
So you have to let it bounce. And the last one is you can't step in the kitchen and volley. So if you follow those 3 rules, you should be absolutely fine. The kitchen is basically that one line before the net.
I'm wondering what the kitchen is.
Yeah.
now.
So that area,
Okay.
that light blue area before
Right.
the net, that is the kitchen.
Okay.
So you can't get into the kitchen and volley it. That's
Perfect.
it.
The rules
Yes.
are simple, the rules are
simple.
understandable.
Rules are simple, it's a lot of fun to play, and the game itself is simple. Go try it out right now.